How to open YouTube in Chrome browser on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open YouTube in Chrome browser on your Android device instead of the YouTube application. For that, first of all, you will need to prevent YouTube app from opening the links. For that, you will need to go to the device settings. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to the settings page. Now here, you will need to scroll down to find application or apps option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it, and in the list of the applications, here look for YouTube app. And once you find the YouTube app, simply tap on it to open it, and soon after opening it, you'll be able to see this app information. Now here you will need to find the default section and find the option set as default. You may also see this option as open by default or opening links based on your device. Here I am able to see set as default. Now select this option, and now inside it here you will need to disable this open supported links option. In some mobile devices, you'll also be able to see the option don't allow the app to open the links. You will need to simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of that option in order to disable it. By doing so, you will be able to use your YouTube in other browsers instead of your application. You may also directly go to the Chrome and open YouTube instead of accessing these settings. Now once you have done this, you will need to now open your Chrome browser on your device, and in the search bar here type in youtube.com. This is the official URL of YouTube. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the go button of your keyboard to search for it, and within a while you will be taken to the official website of YouTube. In order to view it in a desktop site, you may tap on the three dots icon at the top right, and then from the list at the very bottom, locate desktop site option. Tap on the checkbox at the right side of this option in order to view it in desktop site. It offers greater flexibility for browsing. So this is how you can open YouTube in Chrome browser on your Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.